story.
Where did we stop sa story? Still remember?
Last night.
You still remember where did we stop sa story?
When they
Swimming.
I think when they were where mom?
Swimming.
No, I think when they were riding the tricycle
Oh yeah.
with the lizard. What's the name
The
again?
driver of the lizard.
It's a lizard, the driver. What's the name again?
Toko.
It's a nice name. We can name a dog like that, right? Tuko. And when I call Tuko, I can like give him the food, right? And I'll shout Tuko, right?
Ladlad eh.
Goma naman yan.
Nasaan na sila?
Sa school. Sa school again.
Hindi, nakapauwi na nga sila, di ba? They're coming home na. So, nauna umuwi si the first one to go home is Aunt. He said, bye friend, bye rabbit.
I think he said, bye broski, right?
Yeah. Bye bro. Babay na. Tapos si rabbit na lang. Bakit? Nakatingin kang ganyan.
You're so matagal.
Eh di bumaba na rin si rabbit. Pero yung house kasi ni rabbit nasa taas pa ng mountain. Yeah, so bumaba muna si rabbit. So rabbit will just walk and climb the mountain.
Hiking, parang hiking. And he will just when he's near the house and he's tired, he will just ride grab. Is there a road on a mountain?
Sometimes.
He'll just
Ayun na, nag-walk na si rabbit going up the mountain. And he saw somebody.
Who? The ant?
Huh?
Who?
No. He saw somebody walking up the mountain also. Yeah. It's the spider.
There was a spider, you didn't tell me.
It's a spider. But the spider is very fast. She can climb up the trees.
It's like this.
Yeah. He can climb up the trees. So
It's
naiwan.
It's like he's not. Is it a boy or a girl?
A boy.
It's like he's not moving. It's just like this.
Yeah. Naiwan si rabbit.
Was it big or small?
It's big.
Why didn't the rabbit just ride on the?
The rabbit is still bigger.
Oh.
You
Okay.
jump. Rabbit jump.
The rabbit jumped like this.
Yeah. And he saw a house. An abandoned house.
Bro, I thought you were talking about the spider's house.
It's an abandoned house.
How?
He saw a house and he said,
Huh?
I didn't notice this house.
Last time?
Yeah, it's just the first time I see this house. Let's try to go inside. Oh no. Do you want the rabbit to go inside?
No.
But the rabbit went inside
Hi.
the abandoned house. Okay.
You're not continuing.
Ano yun? That's the part of the story. Sabi ni Rod, what's that sound? It's so creepy. The sound is so creepy. What's that sound? And he saw something. He saw bats. Bats coming out.
So that's the sound. That's what bats sound make. And or like that.
Long bait nag. Who is that? Biglang may sumigaw. Somebody shouted, who is that? And then Rabbit heard it. He ran away. He was so scared.
How old is the rabbit?
6.
6?
Yeah.
Would it be my birthday na? Almost.
Natakot si Rabbit. What do you think is that who shouted?
Who is that?
Yeah.
Who?
What
The
do you
turtle?
think?
I think it's the turtle. When will they kita? When will the rabbit and the turtle kita?
Huh?
I want them to kita na. I think
Hindi
they,
nag-run si Rabbit.
I think at the house the turtle is there.
Run. Habang nagra-run si Rabbit ng so fast, biglang nadapa si Rabbit. Nadapa siya.
May sugat or what?
Siya big sugat. Dapa siya. Because there's a big something sa ground.
What?
What's that? Is that a rock?
What was it?
Tinignan niya. No, it's not a rock. And then he shake it. Biglang may lumabas na head and arms. And
Was it a turtle?
ha?
What was
Biglang
it?
may lumabas na gano'n.
Was it a snapping
Huh?
turtle? What was
Ano?
it? What was
Ano?
it? What was it?
A snail. Biglang lumabas yung snail.
Was it big or small?
It's a big snail.
Oh,
It's a giant snail.
I thought it was a snapping turtle.
Sabi ni Rabbit. Ay nako snail, what are you doing there? Ay dapa. Sabi ni snail. Hey bro, I'm just chilling here.
How is that a chilling place? Chill in the abandoned house.
I'm just chilling here. And then Rabbit continued to run. Run.
Why?
And he saw a river.
I-
Wow, sabi ni Rabbit, oh, that's a nice river. I think I want to take a bath and swim.
I think he will also clean his sugat.
Yeah, and I cleaned the sugat. Yeah,
And
cleaned the sugat. And while he's cleaning the sugat, he saw somebody.
Swimming?
Yeah, it's swimming. He saw somebody.
Who?
Huh?
Who?
Ano?
Did it have a shell or what?
Wala. It's just a cat.
A cat swimming. I thought cats doesn't like water.
Swimming. Cat, let's swim. Sabi ni Cat, hey, you know I have a friend. He's coming over.
To swim?
Yeah. He's so near na.
Is it a dog?
Mhm.
What?
He is so near na.
Who is
Sabi.
it?
Sabi ni Rabbit. Okay, let's just wait for him.
Who said?
Sabi ni Cat, okay, let's wait.
Why?
Mm.
What do you mean?
And they waited for so many hours
I was not.
until they fell asleep.
Dad!
Tapos yun, bukas pa daw dadating eh. Sabi ni Kat eh. Tomorrow pa daw dadating. Yeah, tomorrow. So tomorrow na lang yung continuation. Tomorrow pa daw dadating. Okay? Tomorrow is the last part.
Why is, how about next is
Try na.
I'll tell you the next
Daldal mo
animal.
eh.
I'll tell you the animals, the next animals.
Ano muna, let's finish the story muna before you tell the new animals, okay?
Yeah, I already know. How about you? You know na?
Ano?
The animals. That, are you
Ano?
thinking na?
Not yet.
I already know.
Ano?
You want me to tell you? Or what? You want?
Sige na nga.
Okay. Should I tell you? It's a lion and a cat.
A lion and a cat?
And a rabbit and a turtle. They are friends.
Okay.
A rabbit and a turtle. Okay, the last.
Okay.
So that we can still learn about them.
Okay.
And after that, it's a dog and a fox. It's Snowy. It's Tyler and Snowy. It's a dog and a fox. Tyler and Snowy. I'll name the fox Snowy, and I'll name the dog Super Dog Tyler.
Yun yung tok.
No, I'll name